Hi viewers, let's see how to find the determinant of matrix in calculator. For that first we have to select the matrix in the calculator. Press mode button. Here there is no matrix. Again press mode button. Here also there is no matrix. Again press mode button. Here we can see that 2 is the matrix. So press 2. So this matrix we have to calculate the determinant. For that first we have to store the matrix in the calculator. Press shift. Next we can see that here mat in this 4. So press 4. Here we can see that dimension is 1. First we have to store the matrix. So press 1, dimension 1, and then we can see that A, B, C. So in this we can choose first matrix is A. So press 1. Here they asked rows and columns. So here this matrix is having 3 rows. 1, 2, 3 rows and then 3 columns. 1, 2, 3 columns. So we can press 3 equal to 3. That is 3 cross 3 matrix. Next we have to store the elements of this matrix. This is A11, this is A12, this is A13. Next this is A21, this is A22. So similarly the values are till A33. So we have to type the value based on this row position. First value is A11. A11 value is 3. Press 3 equal to. Next value is minus 1. Minus 1 equal to. Next value is 10. 10 equal to. The next A21 value is minus 1. Minus 1 equal to. Next value is A22. 3 equal to. Next value is A23. 5 equal to. Next value A31 is minus 1 equal to. A32 value is minus 1 equal to. Next value is A33. The last value is A33 which is equal to 5. So we stored all the values in the calculator matrix A. Next on this calculator, again we have to calculate the determinant of this matrix. For that press shift 4. In this we have to calculate the determinant. So press this button. So here we can see that determinant in this 1 number. So press 1. So determinant is displayed. Again we have to type the value as matrix A. So here again press shift 4. In this the matrix stored matrix is in this MAT under this 3 value. So here press 3. In this we stored the matrix in matrix A. Press 1. Displayed matrix A in this display of this calculator. Then we have to calculate the determinant of matrix A. Press equal to button. The answer is 100. This is the determinant of matrix A value. Similarly, we can find the multiplications of 2 matrix and then inverse of the 2 matrix. The only thing is to how to store the matrix in the calculators. We know that using the mode first we have to choose the matrix, again shift matrix shift 4. Then in this dimension only we can store the matrix. So let's see how to multiply 2 matrix. So already we stored the matrix A value. Next we have to put the matrix B value. So how we can put the matrix B value means the same method. Shift 4. Then dimension only we have to store the matrix. So press 1. Again matrix A already stored. Then matrix B. So matrix B is 2. Dimension we know that 3 cross 3. So 3 equal to 3 equal to. The same value we have to give this here. So 3 equal to minus 1 equal to. If you want to give another matrix value we can give that. 10 which is equal to minus 1 equal to 3 equal to 5 equal to 3 1 value is minus 1 equal to minus 1 equal to 5 equal to. We store the value second matrix B. Again on this calculator. Then we have to multiply matrix A and matrix B. For that, press the shift and then 4. Here we store the matrix in this matrix. Press 3. So matrix A is 1 into again matrix B we have to display. Press shift 4. Matrix, the second matrix is B, which is equal to the answer matrix A11 value is 0. Next value we have to see means this button. The next value A12 value is -6. Press again this button 75. Next button -11. Next value A22 value is 5. A23 value is 30. Then A31 value is -1. A32 value is -7. A33 value is 10. So, this is the answer of this matrix A into matrix B. Similarly, we can do the inverse of this matrix. So, same way, already we stored the matrix A, shift matrix only we stored the value. So, matrix A and then inverse. So, here X inverse we have to put equal to. So, this is the A11 value, A22 value. So, like that we got the matrix of this A inverse. Thank you.
To get the notification for my next video, please subscribe and click on bell icon. Thank you.